If I had to give you one piece of advice for creating your desired future, it would be this. Simply stop focusing on the outcome. I know it's sort of counterintuitive of what I normally say, but I'd like you to instead start building and creating the identity that can live there. So obviously you have the outcome in your mind, but you're building the person who can live there. Because here's the truth most people miss. You don't reach a future. You become the future who naturally lives in that future. And the bridge between who you are now and who you want to be is not only a question of motivation or vision boards or intensity, even though all that's very important. It's also very much a question of habit. And habits are how the fourth dimension becomes physical reality. Every habit you repeat is a vote for a future version of you, the version of you that's going to be achieving whatever your goal is. Not someday, every day. Guess when you're starting? Today. So your nervous system doesn't change through big moments. The nervous system changes through predictable repetition. When you install even one small habit that matches your desired future, your subconscious starts updating your identity. So for example, a future confident version of you doesn't wait to feel confident before acting, because that future version of you already has the habit of acting despite uncertainty. Difference. A future successful version of you doesn't rely on bursts of motivation. Remember, motivation doesn't come knocking at your door. You have to create it. That person has the habit of showing up at the same time, no matter what mood that person is in. A future calm version of you doesn't eliminate stress, because that person has developed the habit of regulating their nervous system daily. And here's the key line to remember. We think we create habits, but in reality, habits create us. The moment your habits change, your self-image follows. And when your self-image changes, your future has already shifted. Even if the evidence isn't visible yet, okay? That's the fourth dimension. That's the invisible dimension, and it's at work. So instead of asking, how do I get there? You ask, what should be or what would be the version of me who already lives that future daily? Is it effortlessly? Do I enjoy my work? Do I enjoy how I feel? Then pick one habit, not 10, right? Keep it simple, one habit. And practice that one habit that future version of you would have. Practice it until it feels normal, even if today it feels completely abnormal. Because once something feels normal, the future it belongs to is already on its way. So habits become your reality, and habits are obviously a combination of thoughts and emotions and actions. And all that has a vibration, and it's the overall vibration, the energetic vibrational signature that goes out into the fourth dimension and attracts the version of you who has already won and brings it back into your third dimension where you can see it, what we call our reality, okay? If you want to know more, send me a DM or an email or through my link tree and write more. And I will send you a very powerful self-assessment tool. And that self-assessment tool, for free, that self-assessment tool will allow you to really identify what you want to stop in your life today, what you want to continue in your life today, and what you want to start today, okay? So I'm sure this is going to help, and I'll see you soon. Bye.